Smoke from the Dixie Fire and other wildfires in Northern California does continue to drift here into the Bay Area. It's forced the Bay Area Air Quality Management District to extend an air quality advisory through today. And there's a possibility it could get worse over the next few days. KRON 4's Camila Barco live in the East Bay with a little bit more on air quality out there. Camila, you said compared to Friday, it seemed a little bit better out there.
It definitely does, and I mean right now you can just see some fog and some hazy skies, but like I said, since Friday you can actually now see some of the mountains and the hills compared to when I was last here. But some people in other parts of the Bay Area may see something different. Take a look at this map from the Bay Area Air Quality Management. Most of the Bay Area is shaded in yellow, and that means that the air quality in the area is moderate. So it means that it's mostly risky for people who are sensitive to air pollution. Now, the quadcopter 4 shows us some of the effects the fires have had in the Bay Area. It's been nothing but hazy skies. At some points, you can even barely see the sun. Now, this poor air quality we're experiencing is because of the McFarland Monument, Dixie, and River Complex fires. The North and East Bay will see more of the impact, including places like Livermore, Concord, and at places at higher elevations. Air quality experts say the smoke is above 1,500 feet in the air, but it should not pose any health risk. Here's Walter Wallace with the Bay Area's Air Quality District Management.
A lot of the smoke tends to be aloft, but we are seeing some localized impacts in the North Bay and parts of the East Bay. So in those cases where there are those localized impacts, what we're letting people know is that if you do smell smoke, you probably are being affected, and you should take measures to protect yourself and your family by limiting your exposure outside. If a lot of that smoke happens to drop and we see that the air quality monitors are showing unhealthy levels and they believe that it's going to be unhealthy based on the weather patterns, then they would call a spare the air for the following day. But it's all determined on whether or not what the weather's going to look like, what the smoke's going to do.
Now, if you want to get a better idea of what your air quality is in the area, you can look online or on your phone. And while I know I said that the air quality has gotten better, and actually just got better within the past hour. My iPhone actually tells me that the air quality here in Walnut Creek is moderate. At last check, well, in the last hour, the air quality index was at 62, and now it's at 53. So we're starting to see some of that air quality get better. Noel, back to you.
Good to hear. We'll check in with you in the next hour as well. Camila, thanks for that live report. Right now at KRON4.com, we have information on this as well as